Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking my home assistant setup to the next level by integrating Zigbee devices for the first time. I'll be adding the Sonoff Zigbee 3.0 USB dongle, which will serve as the gateway for my Zigbee network. The Sonoff Zigbee 3.0 USB dongle is a versatile and powerful coordinator for building a Zigbee network in Home Assistant. Designed to work with a wide range of Zigbee devices, it allows seamless integration of smart sensors, bulbs, switches, and more without relying on proprietary hubs. The Sonoff Zigbee 3.0 USB dongle comes into versions P and A, each designed for different use cases in a smart home setup. Both versions provide local control without cloud dependency, ensuring fast, secure, and stable Zigbee communication in Home Assistant. If you're starting a new Zigbee network, the dongle P is the recommended choice as a coordinator. If you need to extend your network, the dongle E can be a great router. I have included the table above to provide a quick and easy comparison of both solutions, helping you understand the key differences between the two Sonoff Zigbee 3.0 dongles and choose the best option for your needs. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the setup process and pair my first devices. Sonoff Motion Sensor, the smart way to automate lighting and security. The Sonoff SNZB03P is a motion sensor designed to work with Sonoff Zigbee ecosystem. It is ideal for home automation, allowing you to detect movement and trigger various actions in your smart system. The device is compact, easy to install, and can be placed in various locations. The second device is the Philips Hue 1100, a smart light bulb offering adjustable brightness and a wide spectrum of colors to suit any mood or setting. It seamlessly integrates with the Philips Hue bridge, as well as other Zigbee gateways and smart home platforms like Home Assistant. Now, let's move on to the first step of installing the Sonoff Zigbee module. As soon as the Zigbee dongle is plugged in, the Home Assistant server should automatically detect it within our devices. We select the ADD option and proceed with the automatic installation of the new integration. During the installation, we will be prompted to create a new network for our Zigbee setup. The Sonoff Zigbee module is now installed. Let's move on to adding the first device, which is the motion sensor. First, we navigate to the device addition options in Home Assistant, then we select our Zigbee integration from the list. After that, we follow the prompts to begin the process of adding a new device to our Zigbee network. Once the device is detected, a small window will appear displaying our new device, along with all the associated entities linked to it. Next, we move on to adding our sensor to the main dashboard. It will be represented by a large button with a motion detection icon. As you can see, the sensor correctly detected my movement and triggered the icon. Now, let's move on to connecting the Philips Hue 1100 light bulb. The steps are identical, so I will speed up the entire process. In addition to the basic on-off functionality, the light bulb also offers dimming capabilities. To complete the integration, we will create a simple automation to turn on the Philips Hue bulb when motion is detected by the Sonoff sensor. The trigger for the automation will be any change in the state of the motion detection entity from clear to detected. The action will be to turn on the Philips Hue bulb, and after a specified delay, turn it off. The automation didn't turn off the light bulb due to my mistake in defining the delay. I entered 10 minutes instead of 10 seconds. I'm correcting it now and will test it again. The automation is now working correctly. The final modification is to add a condition for the automation to run during specific hours. In my case, these will be the night hours. If someone gets up to go to the bathroom, the light should turn on. Additionally, we can define the brightness to 30% to ensure the light isn't too harsh. That wraps up this tutorial. We successfully integrated the Sonoff Zigbee 3.0 module, added our first Zigbee devices, and created a simple automation to turn on the Philips Hue bulb when motion is detected. Thank you for watching and for subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate your support. As you can see, I'm also working on a new dashboard layout, which is visible in this video. If you have any questions or comments about it, let me know. If there's enough interest, I'll record another episode where I'll go step by step through the process of creating this view. See you in the next video.